Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to glow text in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, you need to install your CapCut, tap on your project, import the picture or video right here. And then what you're going to do next is you have to locate add text. Add your text right here and then type your desired text. So you can choose your preferred font, size, and position. So for example, I'm going to add font right here. I'm going to change the font. I just have to tap on font and there are tons of fonts that I can choose. If you're using the pro version of CapCut, then you can use these fonts with diameter color, diamond icon right here. If not, then you need to download only these free versions of fonts. Now, another thing is styles. So you can choose styles right here. You just have to select from any of the styles. So pick the one that you want. Aside from styles, there is also this effects, which is our main focus. So you can apply glow effect right here. All you have to do is to look for the specific effect that you want. You can also see different options for effect below. So feel free to select from any of this that matches, of course, to your picture or to your background. So you will see the result right away once you tap it. And again, if you're using the Pro version, then you can use the effect here with the diamond icon. But if not, then just go for any free version right here. So again, if you see or enable outer glow or near shadow, you can also choose a bright color like white, blue, pink, or green. This time, I want to use the color blue glow effect. So there are tons that I can use here. Just tap and you will see the result right away. So basically, that's how easy it is to add glow text in CapCut. Just go to add text, go to effects right here, and then choose from any of the options below. Choose from any colors, and then after that, you can now preview and then export. And that's how easy it is to add glow text in CapCut. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.